G'day guys, it's Ben again, here to bring you another video, and this one is going to be looking at an archery arm bracer. So arm braces are one of those things that are absolutely mandatory under Archery Australia's regulations, and for very, very good reasons. So not only do a lot of people find that, especially when they're developing their technique, that you can get a strike from the bowstring as you release. So release the bowstring, there's obviously a great deal of power in that bowstring, and it's going to go down your arm. Now, if you're not wearing a bowstring, if you're not wearing an arm bracer, then that bowstring is going to cause some bruises, and perhaps in a worse scenario, it's going to start removing freckles and watches and jewellery and things that sometimes people leave on their wrist. But there's another reason that we use an arm bracer, and that is that if you overdraw your arrow, and you will see examples of this if you look at some of the Facebook groups. This particular arrow is 34 inches at the draw. The draw length should allow for at least 2 to 3 inches at the front of the arrow, so that I don't overdraw. And you'll find, especially if people are shooting club arrows and stuff like that, sometimes they get given stuff that isn't suitable for them, and what can happen is you can overdraw, especially if you're an adult shooting a bow that's designed for a youth. If I'm overdrawing, I'm going to end up with an arrow here, as you can see at my wrist, potentially. If that arrow goes in, it's going to go straight through my hand. And you'll often see on Facebook sites people with photos of this kind of thing, or you can Google them, and it's a serious injury. Especially if you're looking at shooting historical arrows like this, and you can see what kind of damage that can do. Alrighty, so arm braces are really good. My suggestion, as a minimum, they should go from the wrist, and they should extend right up into the elbow. So this one's probably fractionally small for me, but I find it works really well. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We'll be building this channel approximately 1 or 2 videos every day, so hopefully achieving as many as 10 videos a week that we'll be publishing up on YouTube. We will soon be covering all types of topics across the whole medieval period, from weapons to religion to culture to dress. We're going to look at different societies and cultures and what made them succeed whilst others failed. I'm looking forward to your comments and suggestions. Please leave a comment below, or you can message me direct through YouTube. Please feel free to share this video on your favourite social media platform, whether that be Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe, as it helps us to build our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.